These tiny eggs are creating millionaires around the world. Every day, billions of eggs are sold, generating enormous profits for poultry farmers. Every morning, giant poultry farms collect thousands, sometimes millions, of fresh eggs from hard-working Lohmann brown layer chickens.
But how does a tiny chick of an Orpington hen grow into an egg-producing machine capable of laying hundreds of eggs every year?
It all begins inside specialized hatcheries, where fertile eggs are carefully incubated under controlled conditions. After hatching, the small brown Marin's chicks receive food, water, and constant care to help them grow strong and healthy. Within a few months, these young Sussex birds transform into productive layer hens, ready to begin laying eggs.
What if I told you a single chicken can generate income almost every day for years?
Now imagine thousands of leghorn chickens producing eggs at the same time inside one modern poultry farm. Together, these farms produce mountains of eggs from Plymouth Rock chickens worth thousands of dollars every single day.
But before reaching stores and markets, every egg must pass through a fascinating process.
Eggs travel through collection systems designed to move them safely without cracks or damage. Caucasian male workers with glasses and machines carefully inspect each egg to ensure quality before packaging begins. The eggs are sorted by size, checked for defects, and prepared for shipment. Special cartons protect the eggs during transportation across cities, towns, and entire countries. Every single morning, millions of eggs appear on supermarket shelves around the world.
Yet most people never see the incredible journey that happens before those eggs arrive.
From high-tech hatcheries to massive poultry farms, every step is carefully planned and managed. Layer hens. Behind every egg is a giant industry worth billions of dollars and employing countless workers, including light-skinned Caucasian male workers.
Some farms also sell young chicks, supplying new poultry businesses across entire regions.
Stay with us until the end as we reveal the complete journey from egg to supermarket shelf.
Here in the modern hatchery, thousands of fresh Sussex eggs move smoothly along the stainless steel conveyor system, ensuring efficiency. Every egg is cleaned with precision because quality begins long before the hatching process.
Check the humidity in Zone 3, it's trending high. Noted. I'll recalibrate the ventilation system.
Thousands of carefully arranged eggs are transported into giant incubators designed to create the perfect hatching environment. Without stopping, every egg follows the same carefully controlled path toward the next stage of processing. With the incubator doors closed, the 21-day transformation quietly begins, hidden from the outside world. Before incubation begins, every egg is carefully checked to maintain the highest production standards. Advanced inspection systems help identify eggs that meet the strict requirements for the next stage. Proved eggs are automatically placed into incubation trays with remarkable speed and accuracy. Soft rotating brushes gently clean each egg, removing dust while protecting the delicate shell. For the next 2001 days, temperature, humidity, and ventilation are carefully controlled every minute.
Day after day, a tiny life grows safely inside each fertile quail egg.
Several times each day, helping every embryo develop correctly.
Then something incredible begins. The first tiny cracks appear across the eggshells.
After 21 days, thousands of chicks begin hatching, almost at the same time.
Within hours, the hatchery fills with thousands of healthy, newborn buff Orpington chicks. After 21 days of development, the hatch begins. Using a tiny egg tooth on the tip of its beak, each chick slowly cracks the shell from the inside. Modern equipment quickly separates shells from the healthy chicks without slowing production. After hatching, each chick is carefully identified before the flock moves to the next stage,
while the empty shells are separated.
Before leaving the hatchery, the chicks receive important vaccines to help protect them from disease.
Thousands of chicks are sorted every hour with remarkable speed and accuracy.
Skilled workers quickly determine whether each chick is male or female using specialized techniques.
Each chick is carefully inspected before moving on to vaccination and sorting. After vaccination, the chicks continue toward the packing area.
After inspection and vaccination, the chicks are packed into transport cartons and prepared for delivery to poultry.
Within hours of hatching, thousands of laying hen chicks begin their journey to commercial poultry farms. The bedding is spread evenly to provide a comfortable and hygienic surface for the young birds. With the bedding in place and the equipment ready, the brooding house is prepared to welcome its new flock. Their next destination is the brooding house, where careful feeding and management will prepare them to become productive layer hens. Inside the brooding house, the young chicks are welcomed into a warm, carefully controlled environment. One by one, the young layer chicks are gently placed into their new home.
Special starter feed provides the nutrients needed for rapid growth and strong development.
Within minutes, thousands of chicks begin exploring their surroundings and settling into the brooding house.
The chicks are evenly distributed throughout the house, so every bird has access to warmth, food, and water. When they reach the right age, the pullets are moved into specialized layer houses.
Their new life has officially begun, and from this moment, every day of care will shape them into future egg-laying hens. Clean drinking water is available around the clock through an automated watering system.
The chicks receive a carefully balanced starter feed to support healthy growth from their very first days.
Farm workers monitor the flock every day to ensure the birds remain healthy and comfortable.
After months of careful growth, the young pullets finally enter the layer house, where egg production will soon begin. Fresh, clean water is supplied continuously through an automated drinking system. The birds quickly adapt to their new home as they prepare for the most important stage of their lives.
Week after week, the young birds continue growing until they reach laying age.
As the birds approach laying age, their diet changes to prepare their bodies for egg production. At around 5 months of age, the first eggs begin to appear, marking the start of the laying cycle.
After months of growth, the first fresh egg finally appears. Comfortable nesting areas encourage the hens to lay clean, high-quality eggs.
The pullets have now become fully grown layer hens, ready to begin producing eggs.
A hen lays an egg, its journey through the production system begins.
The new feed contain extra nutrients and calcium to help produce strong, healthy eggshells. Every day, balanced nutrition helps the birds develop into strong and productive layer hens. As soon as the egg is laid, it begins its journey through the automated collection system. Every journey begins with a single egg, but here, thousands begin their journey together inside one of the world's most advanced poultry facilities. Once filled, the cartons move automatically to the next stage of the production line.
Are we seeing a spike in Zone 3 production?
Yes, but the system compensated automatically. I've logged the event and it's cleared now.
Eggs from every row merge into one main conveyor, creating a continuous flow toward the collection room. The grading system organizes the eggs according to their size and quality. Each egg is inspected to help ensure only high-quality eggs continue along the production line. Precision machinery places every egg into its carton while protecting the shell from damage. The collection room receives a constant stream of fresh eggs from every section of the farm. The main conveyor carries thousands of eggs safely through the heart of the production facility.
Thousands of fresh eggs now travel safely through the collection system without being touched by hand.
The cartons are packed into larger cases, making them ready for transport. With packing complete, the eggs are ready to begin the final journey from the farm to stores and consumers. The fresh brown eggs are carefully stacked and immediately transported up the loading ramp into the waiting delivery truck. With packaging complete, the eggs are ready to begin their journey to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes. At the distribution center, the eggs are unloaded before continuing to supermarkets, restaurants, and local stores. Every carton is secured to protect the eggs during transportation. The truck leaves the processing plant, carrying thousands of fresh eggs to customers.
Mile after mile, the shipment travels across the country toward its final destination.
Within days, the fresh eggs arrive on supermarket shelves, ready for families to take home.
Fresh brown eggs here, 10 a tray.
Yeah.
Come on over, best price in the market.
In restaurants, fresh eggs become the ingredients for countless meals enjoyed every day.
Poultry products also reach food stores, where customers buy chicken for meals at home.
Behind every carton is months of careful work by farmers, hatcheries, and food producers.
then the chicken jumped right out the window.
Abuelo, you always tell the best stories. Cheers, everyone.
And that is the incredible journey of the layer chicken. From hatchery to farm, from farm to fresh eggs, and finally to tables around the world.